Hey guys, I wanted to record this demo for a long time, but I finally managed to put it all together. This is a super quick demo of how to install GitHub Copilot in your VS Code and then how to quickly create a new API right from scratch and launching a Swagger endpoint, to actually list and see your API. So let's go. Okay, what I've opened now is a VS Code editor. I already have GitHub Copilot installed, but the way you do it is go to extensions and GitHub Copilot chat, and both of them you need both of them, and both of them serve different functions, and I'll explain in a sec. So let me open GitHub Copilot on this side. So if you can see on the right hand side, there is chat and there is GitHub Copilot edits. Chat is read only. Edit is what you can use to actually make the GitHub Copilot agent edit your code or create new files or change your code. So if you install GitHub Copilot chat, it will give you a chat window, and chat itself has really good features which we'll go into, but the other one, which is GitHub Copilot, gives you Copilot edits. So let's go into the features of GitHub Copilot chat. As you can see in the documentation, chat gives you code completions, which is when your editor is open, you can actually just right click or maybe add a inline. You can ask for code suggestions or code complete. So I think it's a really good feature. You can use chat view or maybe inline chat view. That's what we were looking at. Or maybe there are some quick chat options like Control-Shift-I. Also, it provides features like participants. Participants are like experts, workspace experts or terminal experts or VS Code experts or GitHub experts, which you can directly invoke. So you don't have to ask generate question. You can specifically ask that particular participant to do something or to answer a question. For example, you can ask GitHub to ask questions about GitHub Hook, let's say, right? So that's why GitHub Copilot chat is really good, and I use both of them. GitHub Copilot edit is something where you can actually ask it to create new code. Now, when you install it and when you start using it, it will naturally take you to GitHub website. You'll need to log in, and when you log in, I think you'll need to authorize VS Code to integrate with your Copilot login. So I think that is a necessary step. And once you are through, you are ready to go. So now let's have a quick experiment. It's a blank workspace, as you can see, and I will create, what should I create? Maybe a Python API for maybe a to-do app. Okay, so create a Python API for a to-do app. It should let users add, list, update, and delete to-do items. Use FastAPI framework and add Swagger file or Swagger configuration. Okay, and I will say enter. Now let GitHub Copilot do its run its magic. As you can see, it is implementing it. It is creating this single Python file called to-do app, and it is generating the edits. Now I just need to wait or maybe have coffee. Okay, I think it finished the code before I even took my coffee sip. Anyways, so this is the code it generated. FastAPI to-do app, a simple to-do API. Okay, let's see what it did. I think it created a to-do model, a way to post new to-dos, get to-dos, put to-do with the to-do ID, so it's for an update, and delete to-dos. Okay, yeah, that roughly looks good to me. Okay, I say keep. It has given me instructions on installing FastAPI with UVCon, because it seems it has chosen UVCon as a package manager, or sorry, a build system. So I will install FastAPI and UVCon. Okay, most of these things are already installed. So what I just need to do is run this application. Aha, yes, that is because I haven't saved the app. So you can see I accepted the suggestions, but I did not save it. So I have now saved it, and you can see it is going to reload the project. So it's reloading, but then I can go and meanwhile check if it is up or not. And you can see the to-do app is up and running. You have a get endpoint for list. You have a to-do post endpoint. You have update endpoint, and you have delete endpoint. So how fast was it? It was super fast. And that's what you use GitHub Copilot for. If you have any questions or if you have any specific requests, please put that in the comments and I'll be happy to answer that. Thank you. Bye bye.